Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? Today's video is going to be a tutorial on a very natural, very minimal makeup look. Since it's back to school season, I thought, hey, why not do something appropriate for school or work, or for those of you who are new to makeup, for those who are not ready to apply eyeshadows and glue on false lashes. If you feel like full glam is not your thing, this video is for you. We just want to look like we don't have any makeup on, but still have some makeup on. You know? Also, you don't have to use the exact same products as me. You can use whatever you have at home. But if you're interested in what I'm using, I'll have everything listed down in the description box. I'll try to use as little products as possible, keeping it simple, keeping it natural. That's what no makeup means. So, start off with your skincare routine. That can be a 35-step skincare routine or just a moisturizer. But make sure that your skin feels good before you start applying your makeup. You don't want your skin to be dry and flaky or super oily. Wash it, moisturize it, then jump into the makeup. I only have a vitamin C serum on my face right now and some eye cream. For my primer today, I'll use this one here by the brand Yayy. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing their name right, but I really like this product. I'm gonna get some of it on my hands, warm it up, and just pat it on my skin. Boom, boom, boom. Can you tell how sticky it makes my skin? Check it out. I love when a primer does that. I'm gonna pronounce this brand's name wrong for sure, but this is the Herborian CC cream. This comes out white at first. This is a really nice moisturizing cream that also gives you some coverage. It also have some SPF in it, which is nice. And see how it melts into the skin. You can definitely use your fingers to apply that. You don't need any sponges or brushes. Just make sure that you're using more patting motions, especially if you have dry skin. I also like taking it under my eyes, on my eyelids, basically everywhere. It looks like I have nothing on my skin, but I still get some coverage, which is so cool. So I'm taking this dual fiber brush by Sigma here, and I'm bringing that all the way down to my neck. All the way down. All the way down. You can also use this dual fiber brush to apply it all over your face if you don't want to use your fingers. This makes me look like I spent some time on the beach. I have this very nice summery tan. Obviously, don't expect this to cover your blemishes. If you have breakouts or acne scars like me, they will still be visible. This is not a magic cream. It's not. We're just using it to even out the skin tone. Here is the part where you need your concealer. I'm using the Mercier Ultra Long Wear Concealer. This one is in the shade 1N. I love this concealer so much. I love this one for when I want my skin to look good, but not perfect. For when I want my skin to look fresh. When I'm not going for that makeup-y makeup look, you know? This one, it gives you full coverage, but it's not the fullest coverage that you can get out of a concealer. Does that make any sense? I like pressing it with my fingers like that. And I like using it under my eyes because it's very lightweight. It kind of reminds me of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. They're kind of similar, to be honest with you. But again, this is a video for those of you who are not going for that full coverage, full glam, really, really perfected, super flawless skin. This is something for those of you who just want to maybe conceal your blemishes a little bit, even out your skin tone, but not look like you have anything on, you know? This is going to do it for you. I like using my fingers when I'm applying this one because I'm not losing any of the product. Everything just stays on my skin. Because sponges and brushes, they can sometimes steal your product, and you don't want that. You don't want to waste your product. So, how I'm concealing my under eye. As you can tell, I have some darkness right here, which I would like to cover, and here. I'm just applying my concealer in the areas where I need coverage. I don't have any darkness here, so why take my concealer all the way to my temples, you know? I don't need that. And also when I'm smiling, my skin gets kind of wrinkly here, so if I have concealer, this is the first place to crease and start looking cakey. Okay, what I'm gonna say will not make any sense, but listen to me. I love making my under eye look more bright when I'm going for very intense makeup looks, okay? But if I'm going for something toned down and natural and stuff, I like using concealers which are slightly more dark under the eyes. Don't hate me. I'm gonna get a little bit of a darker shade of concealer and just apply it in this little area here. This one is the Zoeva Authentic Skin Perfector concealer in the shade 90. Because using a very light shade of concealer under my eyes, that doesn't look natural. Everybody knows that I didn't wake up with my under eyes that bright. That is what will give you up. Make sure that your concealer which you use under your eyes is a shade similar to your foundation or BB cream, or maybe slightly darker. I know you're probably thinking like, oh, using darker concealer under my eyes, that will make me look tired. I don't want to do that. Listen to me, it won't make you look tired. Unless you're using way too dark shade of concealer for you. It will actually look better than using very light shade of concealer under your eyes. Trust me on that. Some tricks don't work every time, and this is one of the well-known tricks that we know of that doesn't really work for very natural makeup looks. I will go ahead and fill in my brows because my brows are really important to me. You can go ahead and use an eyebrow gel, but if you want something more heavy duty, if you have very naughty brow hairs and they don't stay tamed, you can use hair gel. This is glue for your eyebrows. Now I'm just pushing my eyebrow hairs up. With this eyebrow gel, I'm just putting my brow hairs in a way that my eyebrows will look good without even filling them in. You don't have to do that if your eyebrows are okay, if you're friends with your eyebrows. Mine just hate me, and I hate them too. It's mutual. Boom, there we have it. Now I can fill them in. If you want to get the most natural looking brows, in my opinion, you should use brow powder. Compared to all the other eyebrow products, it looks the most natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in any gaps. I'm using this Urban Decay Dial Down brow powder in the shade Brown Sugar. I'm not trying to be precise or create very defined lines. I'm just going over my brow hairs with that brow powder, and it is filling in any gaps and any areas where I don't have that much brow hairs. The both spots in my eyebrows. Now I'll go ahead and add some powder on my forehead and in my T-zone, cause see, it needs some help there. It's kind of getting greasy. I'm using the Zoeva Authentic Finishing Powder in the shade Dazzle. I like this powder ever since I tried it because it blurs my texture. Using a very small amount, just pressing it into my skin. I'm getting some, tapping off the excess and pressing that into my skin. Also under my eyes. Oh, I almost poked my eye. That's okay. I'm giving my lashes a quick curl. Just curling my lashes makes a difference. If you want to take it to the next step and add some mascara, here's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna take your mascara, you're gonna take the wand, and you're gonna wipe it on this part of the tube. I don't know how it's called, but you're gonna wipe off the excess product like this. This mascara has a little bit of a different wand. It's very unusual. If you're okay with losing some product, you can also wipe it on a napkin, but you know, that's a waste of product. I wouldn't suggest you to do that, although it works better than wiping off the wand on that tube. We're doing that because we want to have less product on the wand. This is very important. You don't want your wand to be full of product and trying to coat your lashes with all that stuff. Your lashes won't look good. They will get all clumpy and, you know, we're not going for that look. So, now that you have less product on your wand, start from the root, wiggle, and slide all the way up. Roots, wiggle, slide up. You can also rotate your wand all the way through the length of your lashes. It feels very weird at first. I love rotating my wand, but it doesn't really work with this particular one. I don't know why, but I feel like with most mascaras, like 99% of them, the dispenser, it just lets too much product on the wand. I kind of blinked when I was when I was applying my mascara, and I got some mascara under my eyes here. Also, if you have some product on your eyes like foundation or concealer or any of that, go ahead and set it with some powder because it will start creasing if you don't. Also, when my mascara is wet, I like doing this, and usually my fingers are covered with mascara, but I kind of forgot to do it now and my mascara is dry now, so it doesn't really work. But while your mascara is wet, do this and you will take off all the excess product. And I always do this after applying my mascara, because see, all of this is excess product. As I told you, today we're not turning into Kim Kardashian. We won't be doing crazy contouring or highlighting and stuff. No, none of that. But we're gonna add some blush. I'll use this one here by Milk Makeup. This is an absolutely awesome blush. So I like taking some of it on my sponge. This is a damn sponge, by the way. And just press it on my skin. It adds color without any texture. Ooh, I took it way too low here. That's okay, we're gonna fix it. I like bringing some of it on my nose. It also gives you this crazy highlight here. See? It's like a tinted balm for your cheeks and lips. I would not recommend this for those of you with very oily skin because look at all that grease. Or my oily friends out there, you get that glow without even applying anything on your face. I feel you. But if you have more dry skin, if you have more mature skin, if you have normal skin and you want some natural glow, this is a very nice blush for you. I have oily skin. I'm wearing this all the time. I don't even care. I'm gonna take some of my BB cream and add it here because I took that I took that blush way too low. Now I will spray my face with some setting spray. I like how doing my eyebrows changes my whole face. It changes how my face looks. These are the eyebrows that I love, not the one that I started with, not the one that I'm waking up with. Anyways, enough with my relationship with my brows. Now we're gonna finish up the look with some lip product. And if you're new to this channel, if you don't know me, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Denny and I'm obsessed. In fact, I'm addicted to lip balms. I can't get enough of them. My lip balm collection is concerning. I have lip balms in all of my pockets, in all of my bags. I shake myself and lip balms are falling on the floor. Favorite lip balms. This is one of those like medical lip balms. I'm using this when my lips are really messed up, which is every other day. My lips tend to get super dry and chapped and not nice. I'm not drinking enough water. My new recent favorite, Huda Beauty Silk Balm. Eau de Lano Lips lip balms are my all-time favorite ones. Milk Cash Lip Glaze. I like this one. This is in the shade Rosebud. This is like a tinted lip balm. It's really nice. I'm gonna use it today. It smells minty. And it also has some shimmers in it. So there you have it guys, minimal, no makeup look. Let me guys know what you think about this look down in the comments. Was it too much? Was it enough? I want to know your thoughts. This is my go-to look if I'm running errands, or if I'm going to the grocery store, or if I'm going out with my friends and I don't really have time to play with eyeshadows and stuff like that. It's just something very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned something new. I tried to share as many tips as possible. Honestly, I feel like I was talking way too much in today's video. But that's okay. If you find it useful, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!